To use Debank Assets List effectively, start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a comprehensive platform that provides users with a unified view of their digital assets. Across various blockchain platforms, the assets list on Debank is a key feature that allows users to track and manage their digital assets efficiently. First, access the Debank platform by going to their official website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets List section. This section is typically found on the dashboard and is labeled as Assets or Portfolio. In the Assets List section, you will see a comprehensive list of all your digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. Each asset is displayed with its current balance, value, and a percentage change in value over a specified period. You can customize the view of your assets list by using the filter and sort functions. For example, you can filter assets by blockchain, sort them by value or balance, and even hide or show specific assets. To add a new asset to your list, click on the Add Asset button and enter the asset contract address or select it from the available list. Debank supports a wide range of assets across multiple blockchain platforms, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Once you have added an asset, Debank will automatically track its price and update your portfolio in real time. To get the most out of Debank Assets List, it is essential to keep your portfolio up to date. Regularly review your assets list to ensure it reflects your current holdings. You can also use the assets list to track your investment performance over time and make informed decisions about your digital asset portfolio. In addition to tracking your assets, Debank also provides a range of tools and features to help you manage your portfolio. These include price alerts, portfolio analytics, and investment tracking. By utilizing these features, you can optimize your digital asset portfolio and achieve your investment goals. In conclusion, using Debank Assets List is a straightforward process that requires you to access the Debank platform, navigate to the Assets List section, and customize the view to suit your needs. By following these steps and utilizing the features and tools provided by Debank, you can efficiently track and manage your digital assets, make informed investment decisions, and achieve your financial goals.